Honestly, this is bioinformatics. The farther you get into it and you start delving into these gene lists, like the deeper the truth gets. You can go really, really deep, but, and it could seem like you get lost, but really, here's what happens is you kind of use the software to give you kind of a biological taste, and you just kind of go randomly through your data. And at some point, it's like those themes that I was talking about. ESR1 just keeps popping up, and you go, got it. Sometimes it'll hit me so hard, I'll like fall out of my chair. I'm like, oh, of course. Of course it's like, NF kappa B. I knew it. I think, as I said, and the one thing I want to stress about, in all my talks is I think this should be available to everybody. And I don't think you should have to learn Java or C++ plus 8 minus or whatever to be able to do this. We're all biologists. This is fun. When I got into bioinformatics, it is really cool. I love my job, like going through these gene lists. And I've gone through lots and lots of different diseases. And, and they're all very exciting to me. Like every time I see a different disease, it's like hearing the same language with a different accent. And the more gene lists that I look at, the more it kind of makes sense. I am recording this. You can go to my YouTube channel, which is up here. If you just Google on YouTube channel, go Michael Edwards Bioinformatics, or you just Google that anyway, you'll pick up something. I guarantee it. Here are my high school pages. So if you wanted to see, if you think I'm a liar and I didn't do that with my high school kids, you can actually see the videos. We sure did this. They're all here. It's kind of like these are Google Plus pages. I'm also on Facebook, and I'm even on Spotify. So as I tell my high school students, some of the lyrics are adult, but all the beats are legit. So, any questions? Yeah.
Is there a place in Texas where you can get these, where you can get a license for a discount or anything?
You can go to IPA. If you go to the genomics core on the 9th floor of RC2, you can talk to Gao, and they basically share licenses, and it's about $2,000 for IPA, for a shared license for a year.
Okay.
And that's a bargain. That's pretty good. If you wanted to get it on your own, it would be about, I can get it for $9,000, but I do these tutorials. So I think it's like $12,000 for an individual.
It's at least 10 for like a single seed.
Yeah, something like that, yeah. It's not cheap. The NextBio, if you wanted it by yourself, would be $6,000. But if your division or if the university decided they wanted it, for $25,000, they could get everybody on this campus, NextBio. No, they do not.
You should make it happen. Really?
No, so please yell out there. It just amazes me that, I think the people in charge don't really understand this stuff, that they don't see the value in it yet. That if you've noticed, they're kind of getting rid of the bioinformatics support here on campus. Did anybody notice that? Maybe? Well, try to find somebody to help you with bioinformatics sometime.
Like, get in line.
What's that?
Get in line.
Yeah, or you got to kiss up to, somebody like me, and, who wants to do that?
Is it that just aren't enough people in that field, or?
No, well, I think the problem is most people think you have to program in order to do it. And I think that kind of eliminates a lot of people. In some ways, this is my excuse anyway, is that, I refuse to, I know enough about programming to be really, really dangerous and destroy my computer, but I couldn't program. I don't code. But I do this, and I think I do a better job than most bioinformaticians out there because I respect the biology. Because that's what I'm looking for. That the answer to a disease is not an algorithm. There's one example I use a lot, is that everybody knows that the Big Blue, the IBM supercomputer, beat the world's greatest chess player. Everybody's heard of that, right? Here's what they don't tell you is that chess player can then get a computer and beat Big Blue, right? That there's something about taking a computer and the human mind and putting those two together that are much better than any one of those by themselves. This is not a mindless thing. This is not like, you put a bowl, a ball on top of this, pipeline, and it goes down and you get an answer, it's an art form, really. The more you know, and that's why I'm kind of trying to get the biologists to do this, is because you know the biology more than anybody, right? You have this software, you have these tools to be able to look at your own data, you're going to find all kinds of cool stuff. And that's kind of what I'm, trying to get out there. And that's why, as a test, I did it to high school kids, and they can do it. So, any other questions? All right, this will be on YouTube. So, and I think I told some other people. So my daughter, who's 12 years old, she has her own YouTube channel. She has 4 times as many views as I do, and twice as many members. And she's talking about Pokemon and this video game called Animal Jam. So, and Minecraft. I think she has Minecraft. All you gotta do is here's what I should do, is just put Minecraft on my YouTube channel. I get like 50,000 easy. Yeah. Yeah. What's this? It's Minecraft, except with jeans. All right. Well, thank you very much, guys. Appreciate it.